Yo, 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 it's Cinderella Sew. What up? Today I'm going to show you how to cut an off-the-shoulder shirt. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. So you want to lay out your sweater nice and flat and make sure there's no wrinkles around the area we're going to cut, which is right around here. Now we're going to take a good pair of fabric scissors and just cut towards the center of the collar like that. So when you get halfway or a little more than halfway, you're going to stop and just fold this over, and it's going to show you where to cut the rest of the way. So you're just going to stack that collar right on top of itself. Make sure it's nice and lined up like that, and make sure this area is still smooth for cutting. Now we'll go back in with the fabric scissors like that, and then just give that a tug. This is a cotton sweatshirt, so it's not going to fray. It's actually just going to curl up like that, and you can wash it in a machine and everything. It's fine. And this is what it looks like when it's all done. Now we have a nice off-the-shoulder shirt. You can wear it down like that, or you can have it a little higher, so it's more like a boat neck. It's just really nice, shows your collarbone, really flattering, and it was so easy to do. Thank you so much for watching Cinderella Sew, and I'll see you soon. Peace.